Yo, what's going on YouTube? It's your boy Jayyduty here, and I'm back with another video. How to not get disrespected by women. Now, the reason why I said women is because women, they try so hard to get in your head. Dog, they want you to feel stupid so bad. Like, bro, they trying to get up in here, my nigga, because I know growing up in high school, females were just so argumentative. Like, they just try so hard just to get in your head. They just, like, women, they, like, programmed to make men feel bad about themselves. You get what I'm saying? Like, they just want to make you feel bad about yourself, bro. They just want to get in your head, my nigga. And a lot of dudes, they let females control this, my nigga. Don't let nobody control your mind. Not your mama, not your friends or family, not women, not even a devil. Don't let nobody get in here, my nigga. Stop personalizing everything women be saying. Stop focusing on the women. Even if you in a relationship, I had to learn this shit too. You keep focusing on women, so you like personalize everything. Bro, you literally hurting yourself. And yes, women is wrong sometimes. But dog, if you don't give a fuck, you gonna live a peaceful life. Okay? I used to work with straight women, and they used to goddamn disrespect every other man in that bitch. Dog, you gotta understand, bro. Once you know how a woman think, my nigga, you ain't gonna even encounter a conversation with them. You probably, well, Jayyduty, but don't you supposed to talk to women? I mean, yeah, it's beneficial, but it's just pointless to talk to women nowadays. Because look at their mindset. My nigga, they view you like you stupid. They think all man is genuinely stupid. They think we just illogical as fuck. They think we illiterate. They think we just stupid. So why would you go back and forth with a woman and let a woman get in your head? Because when you go back and forth with a woman, basically what you're saying is, okay, you have control of my brain and you can make me react however you want me to. You have control of me right now. And I care about what you think. That's basically what you're saying when you argue with a woman. You basically saying, I care about what you think. I care what you have to say. I care about how you move. I care about your past. I care about how you feel. You genuinely care about how that girl think. But you caring about the wrong chick. You see, this girl, she thinks you fucking stupid. Why do you even care about what she think if it's nothing positive? You get what I'm saying? So once you know how a female brain works, my nigga, I promise you, you really realize that there's nothing up here, you ain't gonna focus on them. You ain't gonna focus on them. Like, you ain't gonna focus on them. Like, bitches don't just disrespect me. Like, bro, I encounter conversations with females on a day-to-day basis talking about anything. They disrespect other niggas around, like not even niggas around me. They disrespect other niggas that I work with, but they don't talk to me crazy, bro. Cause I don't even give them that fucking, I don't even give them the attention. I don't even give them the benefit of the doubt. I just don't give it to them. Get what I'm saying, my nigga? The reason why females talk to you crazy is because they know you going to respond. They know that. They know, listen, if I talk shit in your face, you ain't gonna do shit but respond to me. So they gonna keep attempting to, get in your head. That's literally what they want to do. They want to get in your head. They want to make you feel stupid. They want to make you feel bad about yourself. Women, bro, I'm trying to tell you, my nigga, yeah, women, they are projectors. They say it's the man, but when we get in our feelings, when we go through a bunch of shit in life, we'd rather shut down. We ain't talking about that shit. That shit don't even exist, but we feel it whole time. Women, they'll go through a bunch of shit in life. They'll go through a bunch of shit with other men, and they just project that shit on the next person or the person they currently seeing right now. You get what I'm saying? So it's like, once you know how women work, once you understand women nature, you will understand why they do the things they do. Point blank, period. So I'm going to just tell you this, dog, how to get respect from a woman, just stop focusing on them. But Jay, shouldn't I get in better shape? I should get money. I should take care of her. I should just treat her good, right? Oh, nah, yeah, you can do that. But that's not going to make a girl respect you, dog. Bro, respect is earned. It's not given. But in order for you to earn respect, you got to give it. Not giving a fuck is like earning your respect. Because you genuinely just don't give a fuck. A lot of dudes, they be having all this money. They been giving girls all this money. But she still disrespect this nigga. She still be doing everything to not, be with this nigga. So it's not even the money. You can't even leave with your wallet. It's not even the money. So what is it? You can treat her. You can take her out. Listen, dog. You can hug her. You can love her. You can tell her that you love her. But my nigga, you gotta start respecting yourself. Stop giving a fuck. Let me tell y'all something, right? Next time you encounter a woman that you really, really like, pay attention to how her ex treated her. Pay attention. Yeah, my ex, he fucked me over. Like, I just don't like that controlling shit. I just don't like how, like, I don't know, like, he just be blowing up my phone, double texting me. Like, he just so, like, desperate. And, like, he just so miserable. If she think like that about that nigga, why would you double text her? Why would you be all up in her face? If she just told you, I don't like when a nigga double texts me. I don't like when a nigga all up in my face. I don't like when a nigga like me too much. She literally just told you she don't like when a nigga like her too much. So why the fuck would you like her too much? You see, bro, when you get done dirty, it's because you liked her more than she liked you. That's all it is, bro. Women don't want dudes to like them more. They don't like that shit. That shit is a turn off. Nigga, go, not give a fuck. Leave whenever you want to. Every time you encounter an argument with your girlfriend, leave. Be different than how her ex treated her. Her ex was miserable. Her ex loved her. You can love her, but dog, you gotta love yourself too, my nigga. That's another way to get respect from goddamn women. Love yourself. Put yourself in the right environment. Focus on the right things. Women, they see that. They see that you dedicated. Women, they don't want to fuck with the dudes who's dedicated because they gonna look stupid. Because the niggas who's dedicated ain't gonna even give you attention. We ain't giving you no attention when we dedicated. I love my life. Why would I give you attention when I love my life? I'm focusing on bigger and better things. I'm focusing on things that will make me better. What the fuck? Why would I give your ass attention? That's how you have to think. And women, they'll start reciprocating that. They ain't gonna have nothing to say about you. Promise you. But it's gonna always be some things to say about you because we make mistakes and you a man. You know what I'm saying? Accept that shit. But stop personalizing everything women be saying, bro. Like, literally, my nigga, like, I don't argue with my girlfriend, bro. I just let her ass have it, bro. But like, what Jayyduty, so when she get her attitude, how do you deal with it? I don't deal with it. When she catch her little attitude, she can deal with that shit by herself. I'ma fucking leave. Women be like, Jay, but that's like emotional abuse. Like, why would you rather leave and then to, like, you know, conversate it out? I try to conversate it out. That shit don't work. Even if you try to communicate it, she gonna look at it as argumentative. Might as well just leave. You know what I'm saying? And leaving is good because it allows y'all to give y'all space. It allows y'all to think. If we always in each other's face, we gonna just pick and choose problems. You get what I'm saying? So you gotta understand how that shit works. So next time she encounters some bullshit, leave. Simply get the fuck out the room. Go downstairs, go hit the gym, go hang out with the homies, go play the game, go do something that will occupy yourself. Stop focusing. Even when you in a relationship, you have to stop focusing on your women, bro. Women, they don't like attention. They only like attention when they bopping around. But if they in a relationship, women, they only like attention from every other man. Like, even if they in a relationship with you, okay. But if it's like multiple men, they would love that shit. But if it's like one man and then they got to deal with that one man, it's like that shit gets annoying. It really do. Because she can't do anything. That's how she, subconsciously, this is how they are. Nature-wise, you have to understand nature. Okay? This is why women, they think, oh, man is annoying. This is why women be out here horn. Because it's like, okay, if you can't get your shit together, then I'm going to fuck with him. If you can't treat me right, then I'm going to fuck with him. And then the cycles just continues to go on. So when they just put in this box where I just got to fuck with you, it's like, damn, it's trauma for them. You know what I'm saying? Females, they be exposing themselves. I was watching a video on TikTok, and this dude was like, he was asking all these females, he was like, in a relationship, do y'all always got to be happy? And she was like, yeah, we always got to be happy. He was like, so what happens if y'all unhappy? Leave? I'm not about to deal with a man that makes me unhappy. And then the dude was like, okay, do most of y'all work 9 to 5s? They was like, yeah, I'm a nurse. And the other girl told her what she was and what she was doing. And the dude was like, okay, so are you always happy at your job? They was like, no. Okay. So you be unhappy, right? She's like, yeah. I was like, you still do them hours though, right? It's like, yeah. So how can you deal with a 9 to 5, but you can't deal with a relationship? Women is backwards. They don't know what the fuck they want. They just don't know, my nigga. I'm gonna be honest with you, dog. I love my woman, but sometimes it be like confusing me. I'm gonna be honest. I love my woman to death, my nigga. I'll never leave her, my nigga. Because at the end of the day, she's still a girl, and I understand women. Once you understand women, you will understand how to build a healthy relationship with them. But when you personalizing everything they saying, this is where that accountability shit is out the window. Stop giving a fuck. I'm trying to tell you, my nigga, next time your girl catch her attitude, you just gotta sit back like these. You just gotta listen to that shit, bro. Like dead ass, but you just gotta listen to that shit, bro. Like you just gotta listen, my nigga. Like you just dead ass just gotta listen, dog. Like I'm gonna be honest with you, my nigga. You just gotta listen. Like you just gotta hear that shit, bro. You just gotta hear it. You know what I'm saying, my nigga? So yeah, my nigga, that's the #1 way to just get respect from anybody, my nigga. Stop giving a fuck. A lot of people say, oh, you need money, you need to build a lifestyle, you need physique, you need everything. You know, you don't need that shit, dog. To build respect, my nigga, you just need a mentality. A perfect mentality. Even if it's not perfect, you need a structured mentality. And just don't give a fuck, bro. Stop giving people attention. Start responding to negativity. The second you start responding to negativity, you're going to show up for positivity. Promise you that. Just start responding to negativity. That's all it is. Anyways, man, I love y'all. I'm out. Peace.